Formulated for a high-strength anchorage of threaded rod and rebar into concrete, Simpson Strong-Tie AT-XP anchoring adhesive works in a wide range of conditions. AT-XP dispenses easily in cold or warm environments with little to no odor. When mixed properly, AT-XP becomes dark teal in color for easy post-installation identification. AT-XP meets code-listed requirements for cracked and uncracked concrete in static or seismic conditions. It is also suitable for use in masonry applications. This high-strength and fast-curing anchoring adhesive provides superior performance in reduced and elevated temperature testing, has NSF/ANSI Standard 61 certification, and is made in the USA. AT-XP anchoring adhesive is available in 3 different cartridge sizes for job site versatility. For more information, please visit strongtie.com/ATXP.